Okay, that was made by AI, for free, on a website you can open right now, today, without paying a cent. And that's not even the good one. I spent the last week making the most ridiculous stuff I could on 2 completely free AI tools. And some of it genuinely made me go, there's no way that's free. I'm gonna show you all of it, worst to best, and the last clip? I sent it to my friend and he flat out did not believe me it was AI. We're getting to that. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Every single thing in this video is free. Let's go. Real quick so you know what's happening here. 2 tools. SnapGen, which gives you Veo, Google's best model, unlimited and free, and Google Flow, also free, for the stuff SnapGen can't do. That's it. No paid plan, no trial that expires, no catch. I'm ranking everything I made from, okay, that's kind of cool, up to, I stared at it for a full minute. And every prompt is in a free PDF, so you can make any of these yourself. Let's start easy. So we start here. Nothing insane yet, but look at this. This is the kind of shot that used to need a camera crew and a drone, and I typed 1 sentence. The lighting, the way the camera moves, that's all the AI. Took about a minute. Free. And honestly, if this was the best it could do, that'd already be worth a video. But this is the flaw. It only goes up from here. Okay, listen to this one. Not just watch, listen. That crunch? The AI made that too. I didn't add a single sound effect. Veo generates the audio right along with the video, which is why these satisfying clips absolutely print on TikTok. People make entire accounts just doing this. For free. That's 2. Now it starts getting weird.
In today's news, nothing happened. And frankly, I preferred it.
So now we've got characters that talk. And I don't mean robotic text-to-speech, I mean actual delivery, timing, a little bit of an attitude. I wrote what it says, the AI performed it. This is the thing most people don't realize Veo can do. And it's the reason those AI podcast and interview videos are everywhere right now. We're 3 in and it's already free voice acting. Keep going because number 4 is where I started laughing. Quick pause. If your brain is already a little bit broken, subscribe because this is the entire channel. The free way to do the AI stuff everyone else is paying for. And every prompt in this video, all of them, are in a free PDF. No email, no wall, first link in the description. Grab it, then come see the back half because it gets stupid. Okay, I genuinely can't look at this without laughing. This took me 2 minutes and it's funnier than stuff people spend a week editing. That's the thing nobody tells you. AI isn't just for pretty cinematic clips. It's unreasonably good at comedy because you can just make anything happen. Any character, any situation, instantly. That's 4. And now we're into the ones I actually can't explain.
The essence of gold, captured in crystal.
Look at the quality here. This looks like something a studio charges thousands for. A brand would pay an agency real money for a clip like this, and I made it in the time it takes to make a coffee. Same free tools. I keep saying free because I need you to actually register how insane that is. And it's not just realistic stuff either. Look at this, full claymation. Looks like a stop-motion studio spent a month on it, and it's the exact same free tool, 1 prompt. That's the part that gets me. It'll do photo real, it'll do this, it'll do anime, whatever you throw at it. You're not locked into one look. That's 6. And now it stops being cute. Okay, this is the kind of shot that's a blockbuster VFX budget. Massive scale, real water physics, something tiny in frame just so your brain gets how big it is, and the AI just did it, ambient sound and all. If you saw this in a trailer, you would not blink. I made it on a free website. in an afternoon.
Today, they remember our names!
And now put it all together. Big scale and talking. A full character, a whole crowd, a line delivered with actual weight, and the crowd reacting back. That's not a clip anymore, that's a movie scene. From one prompt. This is the moment it stopped feeling like a tool and started feeling like a film set that lives on my laptop. One left. And it's the one I've been teasing since the start. So real quick, remember that clip I told you about at the start? The one my friend didn't believe was AI? This is it. And I need you to actually pay attention, because if I didn't tell you, you would never know. That's AI, all of it. The faces, the lighting, the little imperfections that make your brain go, no, that's a real camera. I made that for free, on a website, in an afternoon. And a year ago, this was actually impossible. That's why I made this video. Not to flex the clips, to show you that the barrier is just gone. Whatever you've been wanting to make, you can make it, tonight, for nothing. The only thing stopping you is not knowing the tools exist. And now you do. And once you start making this stuff, you'll want it everywhere. That's what I use repurpose.io for. You post once and it fires your video out to TikTok, Reels, Shorts, and Facebook automatically, captions and all. And it strips the TikTok watermark so Shorts doesn't bury you. When you're making clips this fast, it just saves you the boring part. Links in the description. It's an affiliate link, so it helps me out, and there's a free trial. So that's the video. All free, all real, all made this week. Grab the PDF, go open SnapGen or Flow, and make literally anything, genuinely, tonight. And tell me in the comments, which one was your favorite? And what should I try to make next? Give me the most ridiculous idea you've got. Best one I'm actually making. And that video right there is where I show you exactly how to use these free tools start to finish. Watch it next.